Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make commercial piano house or commercial deep house. This is some example of what we're going to remake today. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these free FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestion for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums.
Because kicks are good.
Alright, so now let's add some claps. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but maybe we need to add
another one.
Much better.
I'm also adding this reversed clap, which is super simple to make. Let's see how it sounds. Now let's see how I made that. First of all, you need to open up Edison, then solo your claps, and then hit record and press play. Now just cut it out. Now hit Ctrl plus hair. Then import this sound into your playlist. Reverse it. And now just cut the very end of it. And you're done.
Very cool. Very, very cool. That's cool.
Alright, cool. So now let's move to the open hats. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but also in this case we need to add
another one. And another one.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright guys, so now let's add some shakers. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but we need to add
another one. And another.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Now let's hear this pattern alone. This is made of 2 layers, let's hear them one by one. Very important in these shakers is definitely swing. These shakers are super swingy. So now guys, let's hear the drums all together.
Alright, I think we're good here. I think that's enough.
Cool guys, but since that we're talking about piano house, now let's move to the most important element of this track, which is obviously piano. Let's see how it sounds.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, sorry for that guys, but now let's see what this piano is made of. This is the first layer, and it's the classic piano 16 from the Korg M1. The second layer is a simple FL keys. Now another very important element when it comes to this piano is surely this reverb automation. Let's see how it sounds with and without this reverb automation. In order to make the piano even more present in the mix, I also layered another layer of just simple white noise, which is really helping the piano cut through the mix, in particular in the high end. Let's see how it sounds with and without this layer.
Sounds cool.
Now guys, let's move to the other main element of the drop, which is obviously bass. Let's see how it sounds.
Nice.
Now let's see what this bass is made of. We have 3 layers, let's hear them one by one. Also in this case, I'm adding the reverb automation as for the piano. So let's see how it sounds with and without the reverb automation. I also added another layer to this bass line, which is obviously sub-bass. Let's hear it sounds alone. And now let's see how they all sound together.
That's nice.
Alright guys, so now let's move to the vocals. Now, when it comes to this one, it's very simple. If you want to make something super commercial and deep house or piano house, just search on Splice for this pack, which is vocal hooks from 91 vocals, and you're simply gonna find everything that you'll ever possibly need. So when it comes to this track, there were actually many vocals which I then put together, so let's see how they sound all together.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears are gonna shed, no. It's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears are gonna shed, no. It's time to shine. Give them what you got, baby. Time to show them all you are.
So yeah, those were 3 vocal samples which I put together into making a full vocal phrase. Then in the drop, I took one of the vocal sample and chopped it out for the first part of the drop. So let's see how it sounds.
It's time to shine. Get what you got, baby. Get what you got.
And then in the second part, it goes like.
Time to show them all you are. All you are.
In the second part of the drop, I instead took a simple part of the vocal and just looped it to create this vocal drone. So yeah, let's see how it sounds. And it stays like that, but it's a very cool way of creating variation with your vocal.
That's cool.
Now for the last part of the track, which is effects and ambiances, let's see how they sound all together. We just have a lot of samples, but I'm not gonna get into details because anyway this video would get 20 minutes long. Alright guys, so now as always for the final step, let's slap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this video. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears are gonna shed, no. It's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears are gonna shed, no.